Friends, welcome back to famous YouTube channel. We are back with new innovative and creative videos. We have seen up till now two videos on bill generation using Python. In that we simply generate bill of items which are purchased. Now in this video we are going to generate statistical information from the bill information. So let us go through the HTML file first. Items.html. HTML tag, then head, action on which method I want to link, that is items, post method is secured, connection is secured, then items are shirt 1000, pant 2000 and t-shirt 500. Checkbox, user may select one value, user may select two values or three values depending on the user. Submit button to submit the data to the Python file. Now we will go through the main file, that is Python file vi. First statement, from Flask import Flask, it is used to import Flask class. Second statement, import numpy as np. We can take any names we want for that. Third statement, import matplotlib.pyplot.plt. It is used for proper visualization package matplotlib. Import PostgreSQL used for Python Postgres framework. Then next statement, app is equal to Flask bracket double underscore name. It is used to import Flask class. And this statement, template folder, I want to refer path of the template folder. Then connection string for connection to the Postgres database using Flask. PostgreSQL database is Sam, user is Sachin, and host is localhost because my Python and Postgres are here only. Then list, two lists are there initialized. Then one list with shirt, pant and t-shirt. Then dictionary with key value pair, shirt is the key and price is the value. Then pant value, just like our checkbox we have seen. And @app.root, root will be the post method, through post method. Then items which are seen in HTML file. Then items method, total is equal to 0, data 1, list. Then select dot request dot form get list, means whatever item the user will select in the checkbox, that will be stored in the select variable. Then yes is equal to select dot copy, it will copy it in the yes variable. Then L5 is equal to bracket star map, means whatever dictionary values user will select shirt or pant, that will be mapped with the shirt and pant, and whatever these values are 1000 and 2000, that will be extracted from dictionary and that will be stored in the L5, and total will be calculated. Means we have also find out the items selected by get list, and we have also calculated total using star map, dictionary and this thing. Then we need to insert that values in the database because we need to generate the bill. And commit in the sense whatever operation we made in database, that should be saved, that we commit. Then query is equal to cur, execute the query, select star from the bill, means whatever query will be executed, that will be bill will be generated, that will be displayed. And again I want cur.fetch, means fetch all the values whatever the commit operation has performed. Then here again two lists are taken, items and total, and I want to draw a graph from that. That's why I have added that list in the values in the item and total. These things are total and item sold, and I want to generate statistical information about item purchase. Now plot.show will show the graph. Now at the last, if double underscore name, means the script will be executed at the command prompt. Debugger is on. Now we will execute the Python file to generate the statistical information of the bill, export Flask app is equal to bill.py Flask run. Yes, now we'll run the HTML file. Yes, shirt 1000, pant 2000. I will show you. Okay, now I will first of all I will select the shirt, then here shirt is there. Okay, now what I will do, shirt is selected. Now we will see shirt and pant 3000. Yes, shirt and pant graph is generated. Shirt is gone at the bottom because only one item is there. Then shirt and pant, this thing. Now what I will select, I will select all the three items. Then yes, shirt, pant, t-shirt 3500, that is at the upper, corner. Now what I will select shirt and t-shirt. Yes, shirt and t-shirt, that is this selected. So we have successfully generated statistical information using graph, using Python with PostgreSQL relational database. So we will back with more statistical information videos of Python, more and more. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.